Hi. If you go into the first door here, there is the living room. This is the couch. This is a rug. They have a TV. This is the kitchen where they would cook. Then this is their dining room. The Canary family has two children that like to play outside, so here's outside. They also asked for a tree house. Here is the tree house. Sure. This is where the kids could play in their tree house. The pandas are work of Cadence. Then they also asked for a basement office so that the mom could work at home, and a playroom. We figured that the playroom could be the extra space here in the office so that while mom's working, she can watch the kids in the glass and stuff. And there's a chest where they could keep their toys. Then if we go upstairs, this is where the bedrooms and this is where the bedroom and the facilities are. Here is the mother's bedroom. Come on. Has flowers and storage shelves. Oh, crap. I'll replace it. Here's the facilities. Has a sink, toilet, shower. If you go over here, here is the one of the children's room has a bed. There's
The dragon heads were a work of Danielle.
crap. Shutting myself in. What? Okay.
Yay.
Then we go into the other room. It's quite the same. It's just different color. Yes, it's orange. That. Stop. Cadence. Oh.
And I'm making fun of myself.
So that is our house.
Our beautiful house with a whole bunch of pandas on the side of it.